Spell fat. Wait lang. I don't know if you know this already. Spell fat. Spell fat. Louder.
F-A-T.
F-A-T. Spell her.
H-E-R.
Combine together. What's the word? Combine together. Huh?
Fatter.
Huh?
Fat.
Don't laugh. Ayun. Spell fat. Spell fat.
Fat. F-A-T.
Spell her.
H-E-R.
Combine together.
Fat.
Huh?
Fatter.
What?
Fatter. Fatter.
Again, spell fat, Daddy. Last one, last. So you were gonna get it.
F-A-T.
Spell her.
H-E-R.
Combine together.
So you go talk to Mitch? Yeah.
Father.
Yeah. That's what you said earlier. Huh?
Yeah.
Because
Then you said
you're whispering.
fat.
And then I heard now, fat her.
Fatter. Then I was like, I
Ah,
said
you
father,
think
you
I-
know. Then it's like, fatter. Fatter.